Are you still writing documentation manually? Now you can speed up content creation and generate complete documentation using AI. In this video, I will show you how to generate documentation using AI in WordPress. I will use the Antimanual plugin to create documentation, which is an efficient and user-friendly solution for faster results. First, navigate to your dashboard and select Add New Plugin. Search for Antimanual and simply install and activate it. Select an AI provider, obtain the API key from the platform, and save your settings. Then navigate to Generate Docs. This feature requires the Easy Docs plugin to generate documentation. Simply install and activate the plugin to proceed. To generate documentation, select the language, content status, and slug language. Configure your preferred settings, then choose a tone for the documentation. You can also customize and modify the tone prompt as needed.
Now, select your documentation subject. You can also add multiple knowledge files, allowing the AI to use that information to generate more accurate and relevant documentation.
Now, click Generate Outline, and the AI will create a complete outline within seconds.
You can customize the outline by adding or removing lessons and sub-lessons as needed.
Then, click Generate to proceed with the documentation. It may take a few moments for the system to generate the complete documentation. As you can see, the documentation has been generated successfully. That's how you can generate a complete documentation using Antimanual. This AI plugin enables you to add a knowledge base, configure a chatbot, perform bulk content rewriting, forum automation, and much more.